Find the quadratic equation whose roots are -2 divided by 3 and 4. This is a multiple choice question, and so you will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. When you are given the roots of a quadratic equation, the equation is given by x squared minus the sum of the roots x plus the product of the roots is equal to 0. The roots are -2 divided by 3 and 4. So the equation will be x squared minus the sum of the roots, so -2 divided by 3 plus 4x plus the product of the roots, so -2 divided by 3 times 4, and this is equal to 0. When we simplify this, we will have x squared plus 10 divided by 3x minus 8 divided by 3 is equal to 0. I'll multiply through by 3 to remove the fractions, and so we will have 3 times x squared plus 3 times 10 divided by 3x minus 3 times 8 divided by 3 is equal to 0 times 3, which will give us 0. 3 and 3 will cancel, 3 and 3 will cancel, and so this will give us 3x squared plus 10x minus 8 is equal to 0. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is B. 3x squared plus 10x minus 8 is equal to 0.